Hey guys, well, I haven't been around in a while, but getting myself into a little project here. Get some lumber. So I carry two 10-foot kayaks camping. Well, we just got a new camper, so they can no longer hang over the back. So I will be seeing what I can do. I am in no way a carpenter, but I'll update you with progress on what I'm trying to build here. Basically, like a ladder rack. Well, as I said, not a carpenter. Measure this one 6 and 6 1/4. And then I say, okay, let's mark this one 6 and 6 1/4. Well, I mark it 5 and 6 1/4. So, someone's searching for another 2x6 already for me. So, obviously, next plan 4 feet up on all 4 corners. So, let's do that. Alright, so you can see what I have going on here. Simple. Base is overkill, but it's heavy. We'll keep it grounded down. I got 4 screws in here. And I got 2 more right here into this upper structure. Also holds this joint together, which I have 4 screws in here. So I'll do that in all 4 corners and then check out my kayak measurements, see how long I gotta go across. And then from there I'll see if I need to add more support or not. Well, there's what I ended up with. Back up here. Tailgate does shut. So, undecided. It's super strong, like there's no play at all. But I'm wondering if I'm gonna put a crosser from there to there. I'd put it on the inside though. And then I'd have obviously more to wrap the kayaks around. It will add weight, but I'll think on that for a little bit. And we'll throw some paint on it to keep the weather off of it, so I could just throw it out back when I'm not using it. And yeah, let's keep going here. Well, got the kayaks down. Can you guess what did that? Well, let's see if I can get them up there and fitting properly. Well, I got them up there. Looking good. Only can overhang off the back of the truck about 1 foot instead of 3.5 feet without the rack. Wouldn't fit the camper. So I'll probably just be able to wrap right around to that middle bar there. I'm gonna stick go up there now and put little 2x4 pieces just so that's around where they'll sit and they won't slide to the sides. And then just strap the anchor there across to that anchor to keep the structure in. I'll do 2 if I really want to. And yeah, take it down, just throw some black paint on it to keep it from being weathered. And it's good to go. I'll probably do a video of us going out camping, set up, and then you'll see how it's tied down anyway. So thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, I'm around. Sorry for the slow videos, just COVID and work and not a fun time out there right now. So take care, everybody. Let me know how you're doing. See you later.